Hello, my name is Josh and I'm going to go over the maintenance procedures on the platform basket 2210. Once every 30 days or once every 100 operating hours, as a mechanic I recommend once every 30 days, you want to make sure to grease the machine from top to bottom. Almost every single rotation point on this machine has a grease fitting. Telescope as well. You see right here, we've got slide points. You want to put grease there. However, we have some customers, we've got a lot of customers, have great success with dry-based lubricant like liquid graphite. That attracts a lot less sawdust than grease. Otherwise, right here, you've got your bearing. Every 45 degrees, you want to grease each one 3 to 5 times, full rotation. And then you've got your worm gear here as well. Once every 250 operating hours, you'll want to change your hydraulic filter, which is going to be right back here, your engine oil filter, and your fuel filter. And then once a year, you want to change out your high pressure filters, which are located right here.